Hello, welcome. So in this video I am going to tell about VirtualBox guest additions. Okay, so what is VirtualBox guest addition and how do we install it? Okay, so whenever we install or create any VM using VirtualBox, we might see there are certain things that might not be working that seamlessly, that how it works on your host system, right? So maybe your display, if you see your display might be something 1200 by 1080 pixels or some 1900 by 1300 some pixels, so but it might not be same in your VirtualBox machines. So VirtualBox machine might not be taking the same display, or you might to share some folders from your host machine to the guest machine, that might not work. Or you might have seen that okay, your mouse is getting stuck, right? Your mouse is getting stuck and it is not working the same way how it is working on your normal host machine. Okay, so to avoid all the issues or to fix all those issues, there is a thing called as VirtualBox guest edition that comes by default with any VirtualBox. Okay, so whatever you can see these are few features that comes along with your guest edition. So when we say what is this VirtualBox guest edition, this is an extra piece of software that comes along with your copy of your VirtualBox. So whenever you download a VirtualBox, that VirtualBox guest edition would be included in that. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere to go ahead and download it. And every time you upgrade your VirtualBox, that guest edition will also get updated. And it will help you, as I told, it will help you to enable better performance and better functionalities in your VirtualBox. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how it is going to work and how we have to install it on a virtual machine. I have a machine that is running. So if you see there are certain settings like, just a second, if you see the settings, okay, so if you see the settings here, you might be seeing the settings as clipboard, drag and drop. So these type of features, like you copy from directly from your virtual machine or the VM to your host machine, so all those features might not work, or your shared folder features, so that might not work that easily. Or if you see, this is my VirtualBox running, ignore this. So many times you will come across that mouse gets stuck, like your mouse is inside this virtual machine, it is not coming out, right? It gets stuck in this. So to come it out, you have to use the host key, that is the right control, to come out and make sure you can use your mouse on your normal host machine. Or even if I want to maximize this screen, you will see the display, it is not using the full display. Okay, so to avoid all those things, we can simply go ahead and use the VirtualBox guest edition. Okay, so to install that VirtualBox guest edition, what we do, we can simply go ahead and use the devices tab, and you can mount your guest edition CD image that will by default be available with your VirtualBox. But before doing that, there are certain issues that it might have to fix before you can go ahead and run it directly. So what we are going to do, we have to go ahead and install certain packages. So make sure that internet is working on it machine. Okay, so if you see, I am able to ping this, and next thing, you should be having the repository from where you would be downloading the respective packages. Okay, so you have to download the package related to your kernel. So it's like uname-r. So this is my kernel. So I have to download certain header packages for the kernel so that the guest edition installation would be done smoothly. Okay, so I am currently using Oracle Enterprise Linux 7. So the repository should be enabled. So for me, the repository is there, yum.repos.d. This file is there, Oracle repository, so which is fine. Now in case you are on Red Hat or CentOS, so you might see certain packages not able to be downloaded. So what you can do, you can download the EPL repository to go ahead and use it in your environment, the EPL repositories. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to install the kernel devel files that are needed by the guest edition. Okay, so you can do in multiple ways, so I will be doing in this. So I will be pasting that command in the description as well, so that you can pick it from there. So I will open my virtual machine and let me minimize this, and I will type the command yum install kernel -uek -devel to install the kernel uek devel package here, and hit enter. So it would be completed soon. Just a second. So it will ask me to press Y. If I want to go ahead and install, I'll press Y. So it will do the installation. So total 9 packages would be affected. So it has started upgrading the respective packages which are needed. So here we have the kernel UK devel has been installed for our current kernel version. Now next what we have to do, we have to mount our guest edition ISO image. So what we have to do, you have to come out of that, click on the devices, and you have to click on insert guest edition CD image. So what it will do, it will mount your image, guest edition image file. So just click and wait for some time. So now if you see, it is, as soon as it gets mounted, it will ask you to directly run it, or you can even see from here, you can run it manually as well. So whichever method. So if you see here, the guest edition ISO image is here, which you can simply go to that location and simply run this file as well, guest edition run. Or if you are on Windows, you might have to use exe if that is a Windows based operating system that you have installed in the VM. But you can do via both ways, whether via command line interface or this application. So I will click run. So it will ask me to authenticate. So I will hit enter. So it will start installing the VirtualBox modules. So that the drivers that are related to your host system can also be used in your guest systems or the VMs. Let it complete. So it might take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the software. So see, it has started building the modules for the kernel 5.4.17, and it will complete soon. So which means this VirtualBox guest editions are getting installed, and it will help you to integrate with your host machine drivers. So now if you see, this has completed. Now I will click return to close the screen, and that's it. Now if I go ahead and see, still you might be seeing that okay, this is not going to full screen mode. So mostly what you should do, you should go ahead and reboot your system. So I will say init6 and reboot my system once. So if you see, the mouse and everything is not getting stuck anymore, and hit the first kernel. So my system is rebooted. I will log in. And let it open. Okay, so just I will minimize and maximize once, and now you can see the VM has taken the full screen, so it is now picking up the full display resolution of your system. So if you can see from the background and everything, you can go ahead and make any respective changes. Okay, so the display and everything will be picked up from your host machine. I hope this video was informative enough. Thank you for watching this video.